The largest artificial reef conservation project of Indonesia is located in Pemuteran Bay in the northwest of Bali. What you are seeing is part of a long-term coral reef restoration project known as Biorock. At the end of the 1990s, large areas of reef here were severely damaged by destructive fishing practices. Natural recovery was slow, and in some areas, coral stopped growing altogether. In response, local communities, scientists, and conservation groups began installing metal structures on the seabed. A very low electrical current runs through these frames, encouraging minerals in the seawater to crystallize. Corals attached to these structures grow faster than on nearby natural reefs and tend to be more resistant to environmental stress. As the coral develops, fish return. Small reef fish appear first, followed by larger species. The structures provide shelter, breeding space, and protection from predators. Today, this site is home to a wide variety of fish. Schools move between the coral frames, while others remain close to the reef, using it as a permanent habitat. Most of the site is shallow and calm, making it accessible to both divers and snorkelers. Its proximity to shore also allows the reef to be closely monitored and maintained. The Biorock project in Pemuteran is one of the largest of its kind in the world. Local residents play a central role in maintaining the structures and protecting the marine life that depends on them. Some parts of the reef are newly installed. Others are already densely covered in coral and fish. Biorock does not replace natural reefs. It helps restore them. Here in Pemuteran, the reef is not only growing coral, it is creating a home for marine life.